SAP is Training online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions, SEF 1. Master SAP is industry solutions and gain expertise in industry-specific SAP solutions, JO, business processes, configuration concepts, integration, and enterprise-specific functionalities with our comprehensive SAP IS Training program. This hands-on training is designed for professionals and organizations looking to implement SAP solutions tailored for industries such as utilities, banking, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and other business domains. Background, contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company provides a range of services including software development, consulting, and implementation of SAP systems. The company's mission is to provide high-quality solutions that meet the needs of its clients. The company has developed a comprehensive framework for implementing SAP systems, which includes a thorough analysis of the client's business processes and requirements. This framework ensures that the client receives a customized solution that meets their specific needs. The company also offers training and support services to help clients implement and maintain their SAP systems effectively. The company's team of experts consists of experienced professionals with extensive experience in SAP systems. These experts have worked on numerous projects and have a deep understanding of the complexities of SAP systems. The company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is evident in its rigorous testing and validation procedures. The company's goal is to provide clients with a seamless integration of SAP systems into their existing infrastructure. Our story begins with a passion for innovation and a commitment to delivering exceptional results. At Vistasparks Solutions, we have spent years perfecting our approach to SAP training, which combines cutting-edge technology with expert knowledge and hands-on experience. Our team of seasoned professionals has worked with numerous clients across various industries, helping them unlock their full potential and achieve lasting success. We provide personalized attention to each student, tailoring our training programs to meet their unique needs and goals. By combining rigorous academic preparation with practical skills development, we empower our students to become confident, proficient SAP practitioners. With a focus on continuous improvement and a dedication to staying at the forefront of industry trends, we deliver high-quality training solutions that yield tangible results. Our goal is to equip our students with the knowledge, skills, and expertise necessary to succeed in the ever-evolving world of SAP. Our approach to training is designed to provide personalized learning experiences tailored to each learner's needs and goals. We achieve this through our modular curriculum design, which allows us to structure our training into manageable chunks that can be easily absorbed and applied in real-world settings. Our expert-led instruction ensures that learners receive guidance and support throughout their journey, helping them to stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. With industry-certified trainers leading the way, we guarantee that our training will not only meet, but exceed expectations. By incorporating hands-on practice and live SAP system access, we enable learners to develop practical skills and apply them immediately, resulting in rapid and progressive skill acquisition. This comprehensive approach enables learners to master SAP and achieve lasting impact on their careers. The two main options for achieving excellence in SAP are individualized training and enterprise programs. Individualized training involves tailored one-on-one sessions that focus on your personal career milestones, pace, and goals. This type of training allows you to progress at your own speed, whether you are a beginner or looking to advance your skills. Enterprise programs, on the other hand, offer scalability and customization to meet an organization's specific needs and drive team-wide efficiency. These programs are designed to support your career growth and help your company achieve its objectives. By choosing the right option, you can unlock your full potential and succeed in the world of SAP. Individual training is designed to provide learners with practical experience and real-world applications of the skills they are learning. This type of training allows learners to apply their knowledge in a flexible manner, tailoring it to their own needs and schedule. The use of dedicated trainers and genuine business scenarios enables learners to gain a deeper understanding of how the skills they are learning can be applied in a real world setting. By doing so, learners do not become complacent or stagnant. as they are constantly being challenged to think critically and solve problems in a practical context. Learners emerge from individual training with job-ready skills, possessing a clear progression from foundational concepts to advanced proficiency. This type of training is essential for employers who require employees to possess the necessary skills to excel in their chosen field. The corporate training program for SAP is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of the system, enabling employees to work effectively with it. The program focuses on building uniform competency across all departments, which ensures that all employees have the same level of knowledge and skills. This results in consistent performance and reduced operational risk. The capability training programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization, taking into account its unique systems, processes, and strategic priorities. By mapping these programs to the organization's systems, processes, and strategic priorities, the training can be implemented in a way that is aligned with the organization's goals and objectives. This approach enables organizations to implement production-ready practices, leveraging implementation techniques and compliance strategies drawn from live enterprise deployments. The training also helps to ensure that employees are aware of the importance of data security and privacy, and how to handle sensitive information. Furthermore, the training covers various aspects of SAP, including configuration, reporting, and analytics. The SAP training program is built around a comprehensive framework that ensures learners gain a deep understanding of the system. This framework is structured into 7 key modules, each one focusing on a specific area of expertise. These modules are designed to build upon one another, providing learners with a complete and cohesive skill set. The first 3 modules cover core systems and architecture, master data management, and strategic planning and budgeting. The next 4 modules delve into product safety and compliance, operations and logistics, health, safety and environment, and reporting, analytics, and intelligence. By mastering these 7 modules, learners will have a solid foundation in SAP and be well equipped to tackle complex business challenges. The module covers the configuration and organization of the SAP ERP system. This includes understanding the overall structure of the system, navigating through it, and identifying key architectural components. The module also delves into the configuration of the system, including how it is set up and organized, and defines what an enterprise structure is and how it relates to SAP. Furthermore, the module provides insight into system security, including user administration, role assignment, and access control. These are essential concepts that form the basis of the SAP system. By mastering these core systems and architecture, one can effectively use the SAP system. Master data management is a critical component of any SAP implementation. In this module, we will explore the core topics related to master data management, including specification, databases, property trees, and data object hierarchies. We will also delve into business partner data, article management, and classification systems. The goal is to provide learners with a comprehensive understanding of how to manage master data effectively, ensuring clean and accurate data throughout the entire system. By mastering these core topics, learners will be able to implement robust master data management strategies, leading to improved data quality and enhanced overall system performance. The process of creating a work breakdown structure, WBS, is crucial for successful project management. A WBS is a hierarchical representation of all the tasks and activities involved in completing a project. The WBS should include all the necessary details such as task names, start and end dates, and resource allocation. A well-designed WBS helps ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget by providing a clear plan of action. The WBS also enables managers to identify potential risks and opportunities for improvement. By using a WBSW, project managers can effectively manage resources, monitor progress, and make informed decisions about project scope and timelines. A WBS is essential for any project that requires careful planning and execution. The company has been operating for over a decade now and has established itself as a reputable player in the industry. The company's commitment to product safety and compliance is evident in its rigorous testing procedures and strict quality control measures, hacks. The company takes pride in being able to provide customers with products that meet or exceed international standards. The company's dedication to product safety and compliance has earned it numerous awards and recognition from various regulatory bodies. The company's leadership team recognizes the importance of product safety and compliance and has implemented policies and procedures to ensure that all employees are aware of the need for strict adherence to regulations and guidelines. The Operations and Logistics module is critical to the success of any business. Managing trade and contracts, as well as executing logistics operations, are essential components of this module. The goal is to create seamless integration between different modules such as material management, pricing valuation, and commercial functions. Managing master trade contracts, end-to-end logistics workflows, and integrating all aspects of supply chain management are key objectives of this module. Achieving operational performance through efficient movement, delivery processing, and settlement of goods is crucial for its success. By mastering these skills, businesses can improve their overall efficiency and reduce costs. The company has a strong commitment to occupational health and safety, with a focus on preventing injuries and illnesses among its employees. The company's occupational health and safety program includes a range of activities such as monitoring occupational hazards, conducting regular health checks, providing training and education on workplace safety, and implementing measures to reduce the risk of injury and illness. The company also prioritizes sustainability and environmental protection, recognizing that the well-being of its employees and the environment are closely linked. To achieve this, the company implements various initiatives such as waste reduction and recycling programs, energy-efficient practices, and environmental impact reporting. These efforts demonstrate the company's commitment to creating a safe and healthy work environment for its employees. The company provides training programs that cover various aspects of business operations, including data management, business intelligence, and real-time reporting. The training focuses on teaching students how to collect, structure, and govern their data, ensuring accurate and reliable reporting. Students also learn how to create live dashboards that track key performance indicators, KPIs, and provide valuable insights for operational decision-makers. By mastering these skills, businesses can gain a competitive edge and make informed decisions. The training program helps organizations to improve their overall performance by providing them with the necessary tools and knowledge to analyze and interpret their data effectively. The path to mastery involves more than just completing modules and studying theory. To achieve true mastery, one must bridge the gap between learning and doing. This means that learners should be able to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world situations. Vistasparks provides a comprehensive framework for bridging this gap, enabling learners to arrive at enterprise readiness with confidence and proven capability. The process of applied learning involves several key elements. Firstly, students are given specific tasks to complete, which are designed to mimic real-world scenarios. These tasks are often based on current events or industry trends, making them relevant and engaging for students. The tasks are typically assigned by instructors who have expertise in the subject matter, ensuring that the projects align with the curriculum and meet the standards of the field. Students then work individually or in groups to complete these tasks, using a variety of tools and resources to gather information, analyze data, and create solutions. Throughout the project, students receive feedback from instructors and peers, helping them refine their approaches and improve their performance. Ultimately, the goal of applied learning is to equip students with the practical skills and knowledge needed to succeed in their chosen careers. Our certification program is designed to help you build a strong foundation in SAP, connecting technical competencies and study plans tailored to SAP certification tracks. We also offer dedicated support for resume building, portfolio structuring, and interview readiness, ensuring you meet employer expectations. With our strategic guidance and mock exams, you'll be well prepared to tackle the challenges of the job market. By partnering with us, you'll gain access to industry alignment, helping you stand out in a competitive field. One Bordi, Die, and Known, and Mika, Know, and Know. Our goal is to empower you to take command of your career and unlock your full potential in SAP. Vistasparks' team of experts provides customized SAP solutions tailored to each client's unique requirements. The company specializes in developing, integrating, and deploying SAP systems for businesses across various sectors. Hi, Vistasparks' approach emphasizes collaboration between stakeholders, including business users, IT professionals, and project managers. IWA Taskfall. This collaborative approach ensures that all parties involved have a clear understanding of the project's goals, objectives, and timelines. As a result, Vistasparks clients experience reduced project timelines, improved communication, and increased productivity. Additionally, Vistaspark offers a range of services, including SAP implementation, customization, and optimization. The company's experienced team works closely with clients to identify areas where they can improve their SAP systems and implement changes to enhance performance. Through its extensive knowledge of SAP technology, Vistaspark helps clients make informed decisions about their SAP investments. By leveraging its expertise, clients can achieve significant benefits from their SAP investments, such as cost savings, process improvements, and enhanced competitiveness. Vistaspark's commitment to delivering exceptional results has earned it a reputation as a trusted partner in the SAP community. The company has invested heavily in SAP implementation and training programs. The ROI analysis indicates that the investment was worthwhile. The training provided by the company has resulted in increased productivity and efficiency. The graduates have been able to tackle complex problems and contribute to development cycles. As a result, the company has seen a significant reduction in downtime and an improvement in development efficiency. The return on investment is substantial, with a 40% increase in development efficiency and a 100% reduction in downtime. Every dollar spent on the training program will yield a substantial return. The training program is a valuable asset for organizations looking to optimize their SAP implementation. Vistasparks Solutions offers a comprehensive SAP training program that enables individuals to acquire the skills necessary to succeed in their careers. Our expert trainers will guide you through the entire learning process, providing personalized attention and support to ensure your success. With our SAP training program, you'll gain the knowledge and expertise needed to drive business growth and improve operational efficiency. Our goal is to empower your enterprise with scalable SAP capability, enabling you to stay competitive in the market. By partnering with us, you'll have access to cutting-edge technology and expert guidance, allowing you to transform your organization into a high-performing entity. Our SAP training solutions are designed to meet the unique needs of each client, ensuring that you receive tailored support and guidance every step of the way. We offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate your busy schedule, making it easy to fit our training programs into your existing routine. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is unwavering, and we strive to deliver exceptional results that exceed your expectations. By choosing Vistasparks Solutions, you'll be taking the first step towards achieving your goals and realizing your full potential, one's ass. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping you succeed, and we're confident that our SAP training program will enable you to reach new heights of success.